In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airtable to Power BI for seamless integration and data visualization. This tutorial will walk you through the steps necessary to bring your Airtable data directly into Power BI, facilitating new insights and powerful data analysis capabilities. Before we dive in, let's start by obtaining your Airtable API key. This key functions as your access pass, allowing Power BI to fetch data from your Airtable account. To find your API key, head over to your Airtable account settings. Be cautious and store this key securely as it's private to your account and should not be shared publicly. Next, you'll need your base ID and the name of the table you want to connect to Power BI. This information can be found in your Airtable's API documentation. Simply navigate to the Airtable API page, select the base you want to use, and note down the base ID. Additionally, jot down the exact name of the table where your data resides, ensuring there are no errors as this will be crucial later. Now that we have the API key, base ID, and table name, it's time to construct the API URL. This URL serves as a bridge between Airtable and Power BI. The format for this URL is consistent and should look something like this: https airtable.com v0 base ID / table name. Make sure to replace base ID with your actual base ID and the table name with your specific table name while constructing this URL. This ensures that Power BI connects directly to the correct dataset in Airtable. With our API URL ready, open Power BI Desktop and navigate to the Get Data option. Here, you'll see various sources from which Power BI can draw data, but today we're focusing on the Web option. Selecting this will allow us to input our API URL directly into Power BI, making it possible to retrieve the data from Airtable. Finally, paste the constructed URL from the previous step into the URL box in Power BI and click OK. You may be prompted to authenticate using your Airtable API key. If so, choose Basic Authentication and input your API key as the password. Power BI will connect to Airtable, retrieving and displaying your table data for you to manipulate and visualize. And there you have it, a complete integration setup to connect Airtable data with Power BI. By following these steps, you can manage and visualize your data efficiently, gaining deeper insights into your information. Remember, this process empowers you to make data-driven decisions with ease by leveraging the robust capabilities of Power BI alongside your organized datasets in Airtable. Happy visualizing!